Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a Google My Business listing or Google My Business profile, right? For example, if you are running a business and you just want your business to appear in Google search results, local pack or like Google Maps, then how to create that Google My Business listing for your business. So first of all, you need to open the google.com and then just search for Google My Business. Okay, and here is the platform. We will open this and then we will click on start now, and now it is asking me about the business name, right? What is my business name? So like my business name is this, create a business with this name, and I will click on continue, right? And after that it is asking me whether it is an online retail or whether it is a local store or whether it is a service business. So like this is a local store, so I will click on this and I will click on next. You can choose as per your business model, right? And here it is asking me about the business category. So like whether you are running a coaching institute or whether you are running like a car garage or like a car service center or repairing center, or whether you are running electronic shop. So whatever the business category is, you need to search over here and you just need to select from the drop down, right? There are few categories available and you just need to select among them, right? It is not necessary that whatever you write that business category is available or not, right? So for example, snack, as you can see in if I search for a snack, then nothing is available related to it. So I need to change my keyword. For example, food manufacturer is there, food product supplier is there, right? So I will simply select this particular food product supplier and I will click on next. Here it is asking me about the business address, right? So many times what happens is like if you like enter the address and the address is not complete, right? You didn't enter the complete address, then many times your business would not be verified by the Google, or it would not be visible to the users in search results until you verify your business. So I recommend you to like enter complete address of your business as much as you can enter it, or as much as it is possible to enter your complete address you should mention, so that your business get automatically verified and you need not to like verify your business using a postcard or using a video verification, right? Many times what happens like students call me and say, sir, I have created a Google My Business listing but it is not verified. What is the possible reason? Then I always tell them that whether you have entered the address and that particular address was not complete, right? Either you have just written just locality name. You need to mention each and everything, right? For example, here I will enter the whole complete address and then city name, and then we will click on next. It is asking us, is this your business? No, these are other businesses, and my business is not this. So I will select none of these and I will click on next. It is asking me to place my pin, right? And I can simply place the pin, and obviously the pin is at the right location, and sometimes pin is not at the right location. In that case you can simply adjust, and you can do it later as well. So I'm just clicking on confirm as of now. It is asking me about the phone number, right? Here we can enter our phone number. For example, I just enter my phone number. Here we can enter our website. It is again optional. If you don't have a website of your business, then there is no need to enter the website. And here in the chat section you can also add the WhatsApp chat button, and here in the WhatsApp chat button you can simply enter the URL of your WhatsApp chat, right? Many times student ask me like, sir, what would be the WhatsApp chat URL of my number? Then I always tell them that there is a specific format that you need to enter, wa.me, slash your mobile number you can enter, right? And that's it, and we'll click on next. It is asking us to put our business on the map and get news and tips how to improve Google business profile. Yeah, I'm going to get those all. Continue. You are now verified, and we'll click on next, and here we will select our operational hours. For example, like my business is not open on Sunday and it is open on these days, so I will turn all them on, and here we will select the 9 a.m. and we will just copy it and we will simply paste in all the space available. Okay, and here it is open till 6:30, so I have selected this and I will paste in all spaces provided here, and I will then click on next. It is asking me about the business description, so you can enter your business description, but make sure to enter a relevant business description and include those keywords which you think that users near your business searches for and are related to your niche, so that your business profile automatically ranks higher in Google search result. Include those keywords, right? And you can either generate it manually or you can take help of the AI like ChatGPT and all, but right now I'm just skipping it. You just need to enter the description. You can also add your storefront photo over here. We can also add these photos later, so I'm just skipping this section. Again, skip, continue, right? And as you can see, our business profile has been created. We will simply search for my business again on the Google, and using the same Gmail ID, right? And here you can see our business profile is getting displayed. We will click on view profile, and Google is processing your verification. It may take up to 5 days. It means your business is not publicly visible as of now, and Google is processing your business verification, and it will take like up to 5 days. Many times it happens immediately, many times it happens in next like 12 to 24 hours or 48 hours or like within a week. It totally depends upon the Google, right? And here you can see various options are available which we can edit, like we can add photos of our business, we can edit our profile, we can check the performance of our business listing, we can also advertise our business listing, we can add products and get bookings, and like question and answer option is also available. We can add photos, like so. Basically, this is Google My Business listing and how to create a Google My Business listing. Let me show you my other business listing. For example, if I search for my business, then you can see that there are lots of business listings created by me or for my clients. Like if I select this, then this business listing is getting displayed, right? And here we can check the performance, we can advertise this listing, we can read the reviews, and we can add product and services and all, right? So after getting verified, this blue tick would be displayed over your listing, right? You manage this business profile. So this is how you can create a Google My Business listing profile. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase our course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.